Welcome to Fareclock, where we automate timekeeping and control attendance. Hi, I'm Shine, and in this tutorial you will learn more about the time off feature of Fareclock. The time off feature is how you enter and manage non-work paid and or unpaid hours such as holidays, vacations, sick leaves, and unexcused absences. There are two methods to enter time off for an employee. The first one is administrator adds time off in the console, and the second one is worker requests time off in the mobile app and administrator approves or rejects it in the console.
To set up, go to the Fareclock admin console and go to Settings. Under Settings, find and click Time Off. To enable the feature, click the box next to Enable. After enabling the feature, you should see the following. The first one is Track Accruals. If enabled, you can enforce time off against automatic or manual accrual policies. Note that in order to apply automatic accrual and rollover policies, you must enable pay runs and assign your workers to a pay class. The second one is allow workers to request time off in the mobile app. When enabled, workers can request time off directly through the mobile time clock application. Allow on these days of week. By selecting the days of the week, you can allow workers to take time off on those specified days. Full day duration is the default number of hours per day for time off. It is used to pre-populate the time off approval screen, but it may be changed there on a case-by-case basis. It is also used to validate time off against the worker's accrual balance. After configuring the defaults, click on the Time Off Codes tab. To create a time off code, click on the Add a New Time Off Code button. Adjust the settings for the new time off code as needed. You must provide a name for the time off code as this is a required field. Payroll ID is used in conjunction with exporting to certain payroll services such as QuickBooks in order to specify the payroll item for each timesheet activity. This is an optional field. Order should be a number greater than 0. To control display order in reports and pays tabs. This is also an optional field. If paid time off hours will be included in the total hours columns of the various reports and also will have pay calculated. If not paid, the hours will still be included in the time off hours columns of those reports, but not the total hours, nor will pay be calculated. Allow workers to request time off for this code in mobile app option is available only if you've already enabled it in the defaults. You can deactivate the time off code by unchecking this option. Here's how to view or edit time off. Go to the Fareclock admin console and go to Manage. Under Manage, find and click the time off. Time off can be entered for an individual user or in bulk for multiple users. To do so, navigate to the relevant week and select the affected days, applying the appropriate time off code. Any existing time off will be displayed and can be edited or removed as needed. In multi-user mode, existing time off details won't be displayed, but you can choose to append or replace time off for all selected users. This option is often used to assign time off for holidays across multiple users. Append option will add the new time off to what's already saved. So if there are already 8 hours on November 14 and you add 4 hours with append selected, the total hours will now be 12. Replace option will override any existing time off. For example, if a user already has 8 hours of vacation saved on November 14 and you add 4 hours with replace selected, the total hours will now be 4. Next is using schedule. Go to Manage and under Manage, find and click the schedule. Click the plus icon on the worker shift where you want to add a time off entry. Select the time off option located in the top corner of the prompt window. Time off details can be customized and adjusted accordingly. You can also edit or view time off using time cards. Go to Manage and under Manage, find and click the time cards. Select the worker for whom you want to assign the time off. Click the umbrella icon located next to the worker shift. Time off details can be customized and adjusted accordingly. This is how workers can request time off using the mobile time clock application. Open the mobile time clock application and tap the Actions tab. Select Time Off and tap the plus icon in the upper right corner of your screen. The worker will then select a time off code, as well as either a single date or a multiple date range. After requesting the time off, the request will be in pending state. Finally, this is how admins approve or reject time off request. Go to Manage. Under Manage, find and click the time off. Click the Requests tab above. To approve the request, click the thumbs up button. To reject it, click on the thumbs down button. If approved, the administrator can edit the hours duration for each day of the request date range. You can also manage time off requests by approving or rejecting them from the notifications. Go to Fareclock Admin Console and click the notification. Click View Requests for time off. To approve the request, click the thumbs up button. To reject it, click on the thumbs down button. If approved, the administrator can edit the hours duration for each day of the request date range. Additionally, Fareclock now includes a holiday feature, which simplifies assigning and managing holidays for workers. This feature is designed to make time off planning even easier for administrators and workers. There's a separate video tutorial dedicated to the holiday feature, where we'll go into detail about how it works and how to set it up.
Thank you for watching this tutorial on time off. For more guides and tips, be sure to visit our help center at support.fareclock.com. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial updates. Happy time tracking! Bye!